Welcome back to Explore Error. We'll guide you through how to sort data in Excel while keeping the rows together. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Excel, and what I want to do is change the order of this table while keeping all the rows together. What you need to do is place your cursor anywhere inside the data or table like this. Then go to the top of Excel and click on Data. Now move across until you see the Sort option and click on it. You'll get a pop-up window. First, in the top right, choose if your data has headers or not. Mine does, so I've selected that option. Then you can choose what you want to sort by. We have month, rainfall, and people as headers. I want to sort by month. After that, select how you want to sort it. We'll choose Cell Values, and then you can pick the order. In this case, I'll choose oldest to newest because I want the earliest month at the top, which is January. Now press OK. And just like that, the data is sorted. As you can see, the rows are still together and everything stays aligned. If you found this guide useful, then please leave a like.